So in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to edit birthday notification settings on Facebook from Facebook app on an Android or on an Apple. It's approximately same on an Android or on Apple. So let me show you how to do that. Simply open up Facebook app and then just simply come to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy. After that, just go to account center, and in account center click on personal details, and after that just go to birthday section. And then here, if you want to edit your birthday, just simply click on this edit button to edit your birthday. And here, like in this way, you can edit your birthday over there. So if you just want to change that setting, that to whom you want to send that notification, so for that simply click on who see your birthday on Facebook. After that, just simply click on change visibility on Facebook. Like in this way you can reach that edit profile section of your Facebook profile, and after that here you will get the option of birthday on the very top. So just simply tap here to change the privacy setting of your birthday notification, like to whom you want to send. Choose that option and like tap here. So if you want to just like edit your birthday, like this also another way to edit your birthday, just simply come back and in settings and privacy section just click on this search icon, and then here search for the birthday over there, and here you get the option of birthday on the right tab. Just simply click on it and it just redirect you to edit section of your birthday, like you can see. And like in this way you can like set your birthday over there. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catch you in the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe. Thanks guys.